In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Salesforce Knowledge in your Salesforce environment. Salesforce Knowledge is an amazing feature that provides a centralized repository of information, making it easier for your team to access and manage critical business knowledge. So let's get started with setting it up. First, you'll need to log into your Salesforce account. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon. Go ahead and click on this. It will present you with a drop-down menu where you'll need to select Advanced Setup. This will take you to the central hub for configuring various settings in Salesforce. Next, direct your attention to the Quick Find box near the top of the page. This is a convenient search tool that helps you quickly navigate to specific settings. Type in Knowledge Settings right in that box. After you've entered it, you'll see Knowledge Settings appear in the search results below. Click on that and it will open up the settings page we need. On the Knowledge Settings page, you should see an option to enable Lightning Knowledge. Go ahead and check this box. Enabling Lightning Knowledge is a crucial step as it modernizes the user interface and enhances productivity with its advanced capabilities. After checking it, scroll down a bit and hit Save to ensure your changes are applied. Now, let's move on to assigning the Knowledge User License. Much like we did before, make your way back to the settings by clicking on the gear icon and selecting Advanced Setup again. This will return you to the settings page where we can make further adjustments. Once you're back in the advanced setup area, use the quick find box once more. This time type in users and hit enter. You'll see users pop up in the search results, so click on it to open up the list of current Salesforce users in your organization. In the users area, find the particular user record you want to assign the knowledge user license to. Click on edit next to their name. This will allow you to adjust the specific details and permissions associated with that user. While editing the user record, look for a checkbox labeled Knowledge User. When you find it, ensure you tick that box. This step is key in granting the user access to Salesforce Knowledge capabilities. Once you've checked the box, make sure to scroll down and click Save to commit your updates. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Salesforce Knowledge in your system. With these steps, your team is now equipped to make the most out of Salesforce's powerful knowledge management features. As always, don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or for further clarification. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in for more helpful tutorials.